Hi, my name is Luis. I am located in the United States, the state of Florida, the great state of Florida, Ormond Beach City. Today's date is October 1st, 2025, and my time is 4:55 a.m. in the morning. The reason I'm doing this video is because I had a comment on a video that I did on the Lunt 50mm back focus problem that I had. The past video, the key part was to take the block filter and slide it back a little bit, and then you can achieve back focus and see the image of the song clear. What happened, one of the comments, a person told me that if they can add more spacing. What I'm assuming, according to that little information, is like he's putting the camera on, and I'm gonna show you a video, on the eyepiece holder or eyepiece tube. You can see there. So all you have to do is take this piece, the eyepiece tube, take it out from the blocking filter and put the camera in it. Now, I don't know what type of camera this person has. So the camera that I'm using is discontinued. It's the 120mm by ZWO. But I have a friend on Facebook that uses a 678. He uses a ZWO ASI 678 camera, and it worked very well on this Lunt 50mm telescope. It works very well. So I am assuming that the person that gave me the comment is because he's using the eyepiece tube. Now, if you're using an eyepiece, then I'm gonna get close to the camera. Then you can put the eyepiece in that tube and use it. That's no problem. Also, they sell eyepieces specifically from Lunt company that you can purchase too and use them. But remember, just take this eye tube or eye holder off the blocking filter and just install the camera there. Once you install the camera, assuming that you have the ZWO camera at this moment, you just screw it there, and then you can take the block filter, slide it a little bit back, and you'll see the song perfectly well. Of course, you have to focus and use the ethalon to get that crispy, nice looking of the song, chromosphere. So the purpose of this video is just to make sure I make that note on taking the eye tube off the blocking filter, because it's used only for eye pieces. Install the camera straight to the blocking filter, and then you can play with the blocking filter, slide it a little bit back and forth, so you can get that clear image. I will appreciate if you like and subscribe for more content based on your inputs. So thank you.